What excites me about storytelling is that we are able to make such a huge impact on people. No matter how small it is, we're able to inspire people, entertain, or make their days better. I want to be able to do the same for other people. So knowing that I'm going into storytelling with that mission in mind, it's really what excites me and that ignites the spirit within me to really tell stories. I would say that I like children's story a lot because they help portray this really harsh world in an innocent light, and also, allows us to be a bit more optimistic when viewing the world, so that we don't just view it as this really terrible place to live in, but instead we realize that, there are good things in the world.
Both of us worked really hard for this competition. We had to start from scratch. This experience, it taught me so much, from utilizing different softwares to writing the script. It's been such a memorable and enjoyable experience that I'm so grateful to be given this opportunity to participate in this competition.
I think all the judges feel that you should be so proud of yourselves, so give yourselves a very big round of applause. The standards were very high. Many of you were really aware of the fact that you wanted to have stories that are uplifting, stories that have morals, value to the community, and that's a very, very good move.
And I think your good work will be deployed to be used in the library. So on behalf of NLB, thank you very much.
First, a big congratulations to all of you as a winner. Okay.